Good morning, this is Doug.
And I'm Cindy.
Welcome to ELP Brief. Thanks for joining in today. This is a program where we answer your questions, and today we've got one. What is a memory care unit, and when would that be appropriate for my loved one? I assume that their loved one probably has Alzheimer's or dementia, maybe early Alzheimer's, and they're thinking about the options. What are we going to do down the road when mom or dad gets just a little bit worse?
And why are we talking about this on a legal channel?
Yeah, I mean, we practice in this area of the law, and we have people coming in all the time asking questions like this. What is a memory unit and when is it appropriate? So back in the day, several years ago, they had, when someone's Alzheimer's got quite advanced and they couldn't be taken care of at home or easily taken care of at home, maybe son and daughter had to work and couldn't be there with mom or dad, we talk about in a nursing home, they used to have what they call lockdown units or secure units. So what's the difference in like a secure unit in a nursing home versus a memory unit in an assisted living facility?
It's a different level of care, different behavioral issues. The memory unit is for just people more in the beginning stages of dementia, Alzheimer's specifically, where you forget where you're going and you ask questions repeatedly, but you don't have behavioral issues where you're not looking to push somebody or hit somebody. Those are behavioral issues, and they can escalate pretty quick. Those types of issues are in the secure unit. In our support group, you can tell that many of the spouses have memory issues. And there's no doubt in my mind that many of them could be in a facility.
Right.
But their loved ones, their spouse, instead chooses to care for them at home. So,
and a lot of times if there is a spouse who's retired also, maybe they can keep them at home for maybe years.
They do, and often they do, sometimes to the point where it wears them out. So memory care at home, memory care in a separate cottage or separate part of an assisted living facility. There's also in our area one of the nursing homes that has a memory care unit, which it is secure. They can't just get in and out of that door. There's a passcode to get in and out. There are also memory care facilities. The whole assisted living is memory care.
Typically, it may be a situation where if you are a son or daughter and maybe mom was deceased, she was taking care of dad at your home, and you're afraid that if you go to work, you've got to go to work every day, you're afraid he's going to wander off, get out in the street and get hit by a car, or you're afraid he's going to fall down some steps, or you're afraid he'll get out and get lost and become disoriented and just won't know where he's at. And all of these are very real concerns. All of these have happened in the past, and so you're wise to be concerned about that. And so in these situations, or a situation like it's a spouse and they're just worn down, this may be a good option, a memory care unit. Some assisted living facilities have these, some don't. Some nursing homes have memory units and some don't. So check around, see what's available. You just have to tour several, and maybe tour some at nursing homes, tour some at assisted living facilities. You might even have to go in surrounding towns and see what they've got, because there's a big difference. Like Cindy said,
huge difference.
Some of them have them in separate cottages, maybe have a cottage just for people with memory issues. It's staffed just a little bit differently. Otherwise, it looks very, very similar to the other cottages. In some of them, I toured one recently. It was behind locked doors, but it was very nice. Had a unit, even had a walking track inside it where they can walk, and had other things that was appropriate for people with Alzheimer's or dementia. There's places like this that provide great care and can help a lot, can help the family, can enable you to continue to work, and can provide the care that your loved one needs. So if you think this may be appropriate for your loved one, just tour some. That's the best thing, and after you tour several, then hopefully you'll be able to make a good decision. Hope these tips help today. If you're watching this on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell at the top so that you'll be notified when we do other videos, and please comment below. We love to hear what you think, get your input, and share your stories. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.
And thank you for being a caregiver for your loved one. You're making a huge difference in their life.